Everybody else is doing, but I'm riding the wave and I'm walking underwater. That's all I'm doing in Coney Island, riding the wave and walking underwater.
Your pistol around New York. Hello. Man on the water. Illinois.
Yeah, take care around Illinois while you waving a hand. Take care around Illinois while you waving a hand. It ain't nobody but Trinitron 9. I just started the video gate. I didn't have the video gate on early, but I just started my video gate. I just started my video gate in Coney Island. I heard you out there in Illinois. I'm just riding the wave and walking underwater. Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Break, break, break. You cleaning up my gate. You all by yourself in Coney Island. A01A, you cleaning up my gate in Coney Island. I don't know what's going on, but you're doing it in Coney Island. A018, I'm riding the wave, walking underwater. I'm riding the wave, walking underwater. AB, was you cleaning up my radio? Trinitron 9, break, break, break. A018, he said Roger right on. He said Roger right on. 2x4 said Roger right on. A018, 2x4 said Roger right on. Roger right on. 018, Trinitron 9, break, break, break. Roger right on. Roger right on. Roger right on. Trinitron 9, got down.
Appreciate all the good stuff there, 2x4. Appreciate it, man. I heard my other buddy in there, Pistol Grip, too. Hey, 127. Hey, 127. 127, I heard you in there, man. Trinitron 9, I heard you in there. I heard 127, Trinitron 9, both in there, but 2x4 was talking to my radio, so I was talking to 2x4s, everyone, anyway.
Cleaning out radios, cleaning out radios, cleaning out radio. You always got to talk to your radio. You always got to talk to your radio. That's what it's for. You got to talk to your radio. Whatever it is, that's what it is. Cleaning out radios, cleaning out radios. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, got down? You all by yourself in Coney Island. You all by yourself in Coney Island. 018, you got 20 dB in Coney Island all by yourself there. Hey, 018, keep it the good word. You all by yourself. 018, you all by yourself. 018, 20 dB, 20 dB, 20 dB. Trinitron 9, riding the wave. Break, break, break.
You receive, say hello. 672, 672, 672, we try. Well, you want to see this video game, G9? It's enough to talk down here on Friday night off, man.
Hey, 6-pack, come on back to Coney Island. 018's in my ear hole, but he don't have good conditions on me right now. Let me see if you can clean up my radio. Hey, 6-pack, come on back to Coney Island. Hey, 6-pack, come on back to Coney Island. Trinitron 9, riding the wave and walking underwater. Break, break, break.
It is 10 minutes of dog time is up.
You said no, he can't do it. You said no, he can't do it. Hey, 018, you told me to tell 6-pack, no. Take your 018, take your 6-pack, Trinitron 9, riding the wave, walking underwater, riding the wave, walking underwater. Break, break, break.
What is shipwreck in the lead? Actually, now I don't know how good you can hear me, if you can hear me or not, but 6-pack's my neighbor, and he is on a donkey stomper, and he's my buddy, man. He's a good dude. He don't live very far from me. He's a real good guy with a real big hammer on 672 and 10. Oh, he's very close to get his radio back. Oh, me, man, he's doing a video. Anyway, y'all have a good weekend. 018 Tennessee, be this rolling game listening.
Hey, 018, he might be a buddy of yours, but you got him in the background now. He might be a buddy of yours, but you got him way in the background right now. 8018, he might be a buddy of yours, but I don't hear him right now. I do not hear Six Pack when you get that key down. 8018, the man riding the wave, riding the wave, riding the wave. Break, break, break.
Down here around the Big Brown. Riding away, walking on water, riding away, walking on water, riding away, walking on water. 018 Tennessee Beavis saying welcome to the weekend. Happy Father's Day to everybody. And I got the video gate on Friday night fight. I'm listening.
The video gate's rolling, the video gate don't lie, the video gate's rolling, the video gate don't lie, the video gate's rolling, the video gate don't lie, the video gate's rolling, the video gate don't lie. Hey, Trinitron 9 in these deep waters of Coney Island, riding the wave and walking on the water, riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Yeah, I gotta talk to my radio, 506. Man, you got my ears pinned back, Tennessee. I thought I'd let you know, man. It's your talk show, 506.
Beaver's got my ear hole. Who's gonna clean up my radio? Beaver's got my ear hole in Coney Island. Who's gonna clean up my radio? Who's gonna clean up my radio? Hey, Beaver's got my ear hole in Coney Island. Who's gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron 9, got down?
Hey, Trinitron 9. Hey, Trinitron 9. Hey, 506, I just wanted you to know. You're the channel. Real good on the game, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis, bro.
I heard you asking me something, but Beavis put that hammer on you again. I heard you asking me something. Why something? But Beavis put that big hammer on you again. But I did hear you coming back to Trinitron 9 asking me a question, but Beavis put that big hammer on you, no doubt about it. The video gate don't lie, the video gate don't lie. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, got down? Trinitron 9, riding the wave, walking on the water. Trinitron 9, riding the wave, walking on the water. Who's gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron 9, riding the wave, walking on the water. Break, break, break. Audio kid, audio kid, audio kid, put it where I can get it. Audio kid, put it where I can get it. Audio kid, welcome to the weekend. Audio kid, welcome to the weekend. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, break, break, break. Bye, audio kid, bye, audio kid, bye, audio kid, have a good weekend. Bye, audio kid, Trinitron 9, Coney Island, said bye, bye, bye. Worldwide little squirts in there, worldwide little squirts in there, worldwide little squirts in there, getting it back to 2x4, but I heard worldwide little squirt in there. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, riding this wave. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, riding this wave. Break, break, break.
Alabama 59. They 59 around the trees. Old Gump in Alabama, we standing by now.
I hear Gump in there now. Gump's in the program. Gump's on the move. I hear Gump in there now. Little Squirt was out there a second ago. Audio Kid 018. Who else gonna get it back to Coney Island? Who else gonna get it back to Coney Island? Trinitron 9, riding the wave, walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Yeah, be safe. Around the Big Apple. Riding away, walking on the water. Riding away, walking on the water. Riding away, walking on these little squirts that you just walking on the water.
Getting on down, riding the wave, walking on the water. Getting on down, riding the wave, walking on the water. Hey Beavers, thanks for cleaning up my radio again. Hey Beavers, thanks for cleaning up my radio again. It's real messy out here in Coney Island, but I appreciate you cleaning up my radio again. Hey 018, I appreciate you cleaning up my radio again. Riding the wave, walking on the water. Break, break, break. Who's gonna clean up my radio? Who's gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron 9, riding the wave, walking on the water. Who's gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron 9, riding the wave and walking underwater.
Somebody give him a little
Hey, little squirt, bring it on back to Coney Island. Little squirt, put it in Coney Island. Hey, little squirt, can you put it in Coney Island? Trinitron 9, break, break, break.
434, appreciate you getting back, my friend. Mr. 434, my friend, we made you out. Sounded good here in the hood. See, as usual. Hey, you know who said it. I'm on the key. I'm waving a hand.
Hey, little squirt, Trinitron 9, trying to clean out your radio. Hey, little squirt, Trinitron 9, trying to clean out your radio. Where you go, little squirt? Where you go, little squirt? Trinitron 9, Coney Island, break, break, break. It's rough out here in Coney Island. It's rough out here in Coney Island. I can't do no ghost talking. That's against my policy and it's bad for my reputation. I cannot do any ghost talking out here in Coney Island. It's against my policy and it's bad for my reputation. Good evening in the band. Welcome to the weekend. Welcome to the weekend. Trinitron 9. Got down?
Down here in Tennessee, I hear everybody at one time. 434, pistols in there, Trinitron 9's in there, 2x4's in there, 506 is in there. I'm trying to think of anybody else I can hear, but I'm feeling good in Tennessee, said everyone anyway.
Riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Take your 018, take your 018. Here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Trinitron 9 in the deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Hey, buddy, I just want to let you know you're coming in here again. I tell you what I'm fixing to do, 434 at 11 minutes and 29 seconds, and I've used my airtime. So I'm going to get off here for about 434. I'm going to say bye, 434, bye, 434, bye, Trinitron, bye, 127, bye, 2x4, bye, 506. Anybody I forgot? Y'all have a good evening. I'm going to stop at the gate. I'm going to work here and finish this 8 bill. See you later, Tennessee, baby. I picked up
And Trinitron 9 said bye bye bye. And Trinitron 9 said bye bye bye. And Trinitron 9 said bye 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 bye. It's a big mess out here in Coney Island. It's a big mess out here in Coney Island. I'm getting ready to pull this thing out of the deep waters. It's a big mess out here in Coney Island. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Your Trinitron 9 with the worldwide Coney Island wave. Your Trinitron 9 with the worldwide Coney Island wave. Just got down.
Hey, right back there. Hey, 434. A little squirt in the Great Lakes.
Hey, watchmaker, look around Coney Island. Watchmaker, look around Coney Island. Here I come riding the wave. Hey, watchmaker, look around Coney Island. Here I come walking on that water. Break, break, break.
They call me go. Right back. We're here around West Michigan. Got these 4-element flats, 28 feet.
Hey, watchmaker, look around Coney Island. Look around Coney Island. Hey, watchmaker, look around Coney Island. Look around Coney Island. Hey, watchmaker, look around Coney Island. Trinitron 9 with the wave. Got down?
CH28. 410 752. Enjoy your weekend on that end, and I'm going to sit right back 434. Flat side out there. Bucket's full when I take you. I got to put it on the 40-foot tower. I don't want to stay damn much fun. Put it back now.
Hey, watchmaker, Trinitron 9 trying to clean out your radio. Trying to put some of this Coney Island water in your radio. Hey, watchmaker, Trinitron 9 trying to put some of this Coney Island water all up in your radio. Hey, watchmaker, Trinitron 9, Coney Island with the weekend wave. Just got down.
251. 251 down here, Van Lincoln. You working that thing up around May County, I guarantee you, most told you, you take care of 434 in the gun, I'm going to turn it critical. Worldwide little squirt. Number 88, upstate New York, down for the Big Man Station, a.k.a. Little Squirt got down.
A little square look around Coney Ellen. A little square look around Coney Ellen. A little square look around Coney Ellen. Trinitron 9 with the weekend wave. Just got down.
Out of here, Tony. Tell all your people in Georgia. Even though I was trying to figure out. Anyway, out of your cab. Bye. He uses 10 minutes of talk time way before we were keyed up, but you know, I was nice to him. I give him his 10 minutes and even more than 10 minutes, but he's still gonna cry because I'm out here to hog.
Take care around the band, take care Audio Kid, take care Little Squirt, Watchmaker, all the good time gang. Y'all making a whole lot of noise out here in the deep waters of Coney Ellen. Y'all making a whole lot of noise in the deep waters of Coney Ellen. Trinitron 9 got down.
Sometimes good evening time till you go read them well. Chicago. Yeah, hello to you, 723 around the Empire. Gump, Alabama.
I heard 514 Chicago. Gump got my ear hole in Coney Island, but I heard 514 Chicago in between those keys. Gump got my ear holes in Coney Island, but I heard 514 Chicago in between those keys out there. Trinitron 9 Coney Island with the evening weekend wave. Trinitron 9 Coney Island with the evening weekend wave. Just got down.
One in Chicago, get down. My friend. I appreciate it, man.
It's rough out here in Coney Island. I'm waving a hand in the band, but it's rough and tough out here in Coney Island. Everybody jumping up and down like James Brown. It's rough and tough in Coney Island. Trinitron 9 with the weekend wave. Just got down.
Trinitron 9 in New York, Little Squirt. Little Squirt, your Facebook friend over here around Mesquite. Well, I'm going to say
Hey, Little Square, you came up in my radio right there. Hey, Little Square, my longtime CB friend, you came up in my radio right there. There's a whole lot of Haitian trade, but you came in my radio that time around. Hey, Little Square, have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Little Square, Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Break.
Bring back Trinitron 9, Coney Island, New York. Lord knows, I hope you have a real good Father's Day. Welcome to the damn weekend, my friend. I said I'm going to try this
And I appreciate it, Little Squirt. Hey, Little Squirt, I appreciate it, man. You do the same thing. Have a good one. God bless and keep you. Hey, Little Squirt, you take care till we do it again. I'll catch you on the next wave at a Coney Island. Hey, Little Squirt, I'll catch you on the next wave at a Coney Island. Take care, Little Squirt. Trinitron 9 said bye. Whole lot of heterodyning going on. Take care, Little Squirt, and all the good time gang. Take care, Little Squirt, and all the good time gang. Your Trinitron 9 with the Coney Island wave. Just got down. You said I'm still doing it. You said I'm still riding the wave and walking on the water. You said I'm still doing it. I'm still riding the wave and walking on the water. Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Got down.
Waller. Get some of those that's got that good absorbent to them. Let me get out of the way, then I think I hear them crying. 752, I'm getting up. 231 in Chicago, and I see you, man.
Take care around Chicago and all the good time gang. Take care around Chicago and all the good time gang. It ain't nobody but Trinitron 9 Coney Island playing in this water. Take care around Chicago and all the good time gang. It ain't nobody but Trinitron 9 Coney Island playing in the water. And I just got down.
Now, can you say 231? Hello to you, Mr. Trinitron 9 Coney Island. 231 is the Chicago breaker.
Hey, 231, here I come. 231, here I come with the weekend wave. Hey, 231, here I come with the weekend wave. You sounding good in Coney Island. Hey, 231, keep up the good work. Have a good weekend. 231, your Trinitron 9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
Hello to you, Trinitron 9 in Coney Island. 231, say, come on.
you did it again. You did it again. Hey, 231, you said you could do it again, and you did it again. You did it again. Hey, 231, let all the good time gang know I did wave a hand. Let everybody know I did wave a hand from Coney Ellen. Take care, 231. Trinitron 9 said bye, bye, bye.
Trinitron, I sure appreciate it. Ain't no doubt about that. You take care. I hope you have a blessed Father's Day coming up. This is Trinitron 9. Down, this shit you listen. One in Chicago on the lake front. Get down. Smoking the city.
Bye, 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 bye. Getting down. 231. We'll catch you later. We'll do it again when we can. 231. Your Trinitron 9. Your Trinitron 9. 231. Bye, 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 bye. Take care, 231, 420. I'm waving it to you also. Take care, 231, 420. Love Country. I'm waving it to you. Take care, 231, 420. Trinitron 9 just got down.
They sound good down here in Virginia.